Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope you all in the great condition. Now today we are going to study about comparison degree. Oh, before we study, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. By the way, does anyone know but what is the comparison degree? Okay. Comparison is membandingkan. Oke, ini bahasa is membandingkan atau perbandingan. There are three kind of comparison. First, positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Now the first is positive degree. Positive degree is used to compare two things that are equal. So, jadi positive degree itu untuk membandingkan dua benda, dua orang, dua makanan, apa aja yang mau dibandingkan, ya, yang sifatnya sama. Sifat sama, bentuk sama, pokoknya ini equal, sama. So the pattern is gonna be subject plus to be plus s plus adjective plus s, or subject plus verb plus s plus adverb and s. Okay, so you may pay attention with the yellow word. Jadi kalian perhatikan itu yang ada warna kuningnya ya, ada s ya. For example, my book is as interesting as yours. Jadi buku saya sama menariknya dengan bukumu. His car runs as fast as race car. Mobilnya sama cepatnya dengan mobil balap. Okay. The third is their house is as big as that one. Rumahnya sama besarnya dengan rumah yang satu itu. Okay. Jadi ini sama membandingkan dua yang sama. Okay, that's positive degree. Next, comparative degree. So comparative degree is used to compare two things that are not equal. Jadi comparative degree itu digunakan untuk membandingkan dua benda, dua orang, apa aja yang mau kita bandingkan yang sifatnya tidak sama. So the pattern for one syllable, patternnya atau rumusnya untuk satu suku kata itu gonna be as plus to be plus adjective plus er and then. Subject plus verb plus adverb plus er and then. So take a look to the red one and the yellow one. Jadi lihat deh yang warnanya merah dan warnanya kuning. Oke, itu wajib kita sebut, kita ucapkan ketika kita mau menggunakan comparative degree in speaking. For example, today is hotter than yesterday. Hari ini lebih panas dari hari yang kemarin. Oke. Bill ran faster than Bob. Bill larinya lebih cepat daripada Bob. This exercise is easier than the last one. Ujian ini kali ini lebih mudah daripada yang kemarin. Andy works harder than his brother. Andy bekerja lebih keras, lebih sungguh-sungguh daripada kakaknya. Well, lihat untuk kata-katanya. Hot, fast, easy, hard. Itu satu suku kata ya. Oke, satu suku kata. Sekali lagi, hot, fast, easy, hard itu adalah satu suku kata atau one syllable. Now here we go. Let's take a look the blue one. The blue one, the adjective is one syllable. Jadi ini satu suku kata, contohnya small, sweet, big atau hot. Yang dua suku kata, two syllables, heavy, happy, simple, clever. Yang two or more syllables itu expensive, beautiful, exotic. Okay. Now how to use in comparative? Bagaimana cara untuk menggunakannya? Jadi yang satu suku kata small becomes smaller. For example, I am smaller than you. Saya lebih kecil daripada kamu. Alright? Itu untuk contoh menggunakan comparative. Bagaimana tentang superlatif? Nanti kita akan belajar setelah comparative ya. Sekarang comparative dulu. We are focused in comparative first. Second is two syllables. Bagaimana menggunakan comparative yang two syllables? Ini ada contoh, misalkan clever become more clever. For example, I am clever become menjadi I am more clever. I am more clever than everybody. Saya lebih pintar dari siapa saja. The next is the purple one, yang two or more syllables. Jadi ada yang dua atau lebih atau tiga ya. For example, expensive, beautiful, and exotic. So it's gonna be like this. My car more expensive than yours. Jadi seperti itu. Okay, comparative degree, just like I told you, is used to compare two things that are not equal. Jadi comparative degree itu digunakan untuk membandingkan dua benda atau apa aja yang ingin kita bandingkan yang sifatnya tidak sama. So the pattern for more than two syllables, lebih dari dua suku, is gonna be like this. Subject plus to be plus more and adjective and then. Subject plus verb plus more and adverb and then. So the example like this. This red dress is more comfortable than the white. Baju ini lebih nyaman daripada, yang merah ini lebih nyaman daripada yang putih. Let's take a look the yellow one. Lihat penggunaannya kata-kata yang Mr. warna kuning gitu ya. Ini wajib loh ya. Jadi untuk membandingkan antara satu dengan yang lain itu harus menggunakan more and then. Tapi ini digunakan untuk kata-kata yang two syllables atau dua suku kata. Next is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare one thing with two or more other things. So superlative degree itu digunakan untuk membandingkan satu dengan keseluruhan. Ya, satu dibandingkan dengan 2, 3, 4 atau semuanya. So the pattern is gonna be subject plus to be plus the adjective plus est. Oh, by the way, ini untuk yang satu syllable ya, yang satu suku kata. Subject plus verb plus d ya, or the gitu ya, plus adverb plus est. Let's take a look for the example. John is the tallest boy in the family. Look at the red and the yellow words. John paling tinggi, ya, anak paling tinggi di keluarga. Jadi John dibandingkan dengan seluruh anggota keluarganya. So John is the tallest boy in the family. Jadi boy paling tinggi di keluarga. Second, he works the hardest employee of all the employee in this office. Dia adalah pegawai yang paling bekerja keras di antara pekerja yang lain di kantor ini. So, dia dibandingkan dengan pekerja yang lain di kantornya, dia yang paling bekerja keras, yang paling rajin. Okay? So, the pattern for more than two syllables atau lebih dari dua suku kata. Jadi ini untuk paling ya, untuk superlatif tapi yang dua suku kata. Let's take a look the pattern. Subject plus to be plus the most and adjective, or subject, verb, the most and adjective. Let's take a look for the examples. That was the most boring film I've ever seen. Film itu adalah film yang paling membosankan yang pernah saya lihat. Jadi dia membandingkan film yang dia tonton ini dengan seluruh film yang dia. Okay, that's for superlative degree. Well, let's take a look this video.
May I help you? Yes, please. I want to buy a small radio.
I think you'll like this one. It's very small.
Don't you have a smaller one?
No, I'm afraid not. This is the smallest one we have.
Thank you anyway.
Sorry we can't help you. Please come again. May I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like to buy a good CD player.
I think you'll like this one. It's very good.
Don't you have a better one?
No, I'm afraid not. This is the best one we have.
Oh, well. Thanks anyway.
Sorry we can't help you. Please come again.
Oke, ini ada dua orang, satu adalah pembeli, satu adalah penjual. Let's take a look the script.
May I help you? Yes, please. I want to buy a small radio.
I think you'll like this one. It's very small.
Don't you have a smaller one?
No, I'm afraid not. This is the smallest one we have.
Thank you anyway.
Sorry we can't help you. Please come again. May I help you?
Yes, please. I'd like to buy a good CD player.
I think you'll like this one. It's very good.
Don't you have a better one?
No, I'm afraid not. This is the best one we have.
Oh well, thanks anyway.
Sorry we can't help you. Please.
Okay. There is something interesting in here. Let's hear the seller say to the woman.
I think you'll like this one. It's very good.
Okay, let's hear the salesperson say.
I think you'll like this one. It's very good.
I think you will like this one. It's very good. Now let's hear the customer.
Don't you have a better one?
Don't you have a better one? Nah, di sini penjualnya menggunakan kalimat atau kata good. Dan customernya menggunakan better untuk perbandingan. Oke, class, here we go. Ada satu suku kata atau one syllable yang tidak bisa digunakan untuk comparative dan superlative. For example, in here, bad tidak bisa untuk menjadi better atau baddest. Far tidak bisa jadi farer atau farest. Good tidak bisa jadi gooder atau goodest. So bad is become worse. For example like this. Misal, mobil saya lebih buruk dari mobil kamu. My car is worse than yours. Gitu ya. Untuk superlatifnya, mobil saya paling buruk di kantor. My car is the worst car in the office. Good become better and best. For example, nilai saya lebih baik daripada nilainya. My score is better than his score. Atau superlatif, my score is the best score in the class. Jadi gitu ya. Well, better and the best. Little, less, and the least. Much or many, more and the most. Okay. Now back again into the next video.
This is Paul Peters, roving reporter for the Presto Company. Let's talk with some people and find out about their favorite products. Tell me, what's your favorite brand of laundry detergent?
My favorite laundry detergent? Presto. It's much better than the other detergents. With Presto, my clothes are cleaner and the colors are brighter than with other brands.
Okay, person one. My favorite laundry detergent? Presto. It's much better than the other detergent. With Presto, my clothes are cleaner and the color are brighter than with other brands. Jadi orang ini membandingkan deterjen Presto dengan deterjen yang lainnya. Karena deterjen Presto itu lebih bersih dan warnanya lebih cerah dari merek-merek yang lain. Alright, next.
My favorite laundry detergent? Presto. It's much better than the other detergents. With Presto, my clothes are cleaner and the colors are brighter than with other brands.
So Presto is the best?
Absolutely. Presto's the best.
So here, person number one said that Presto is the best. Jadi Presto atau deterjen Presto itu lebih terbaik di antara produk-produk yang lain. Well class, now we are going to the last activity. Is check up test. Buat kalian langsung aja dikerjakan di kertas lembar. Okay, just choose one of two words in every single numbers. For example, number 1, you have to choose largest or larger. Okay, so do with the same thing with the number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nanti kalian bisa di pause dulu ya. You can pause it for the minute and you write down on the paper. Okay, and we go to the next question. So it's the same thing. You have to choose one word to the one question. So this is the same thing. Okay, you have to choose one word for every single question. Just like usually, pause it first. Di pause dulu. and then write down on your book. Oh, don't forget to write down the text. Jangan lupa untuk ditulis soalnya juga ya. Okay, next question. Next question. Next question. Next question. Okay, for the next question, number 16. Okay, for the number 16, you have to make a sentence, okay, with the scrambled word. Here on your monitor, there are scrambled words. So you have to choose one by one to make a sentence. For example, like this, okay, like this, or like this. Next. 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 Okay, class, that's all about comparative degree. So I hope you understand about why. So I hope you understand about what I explained today for you. Okay? Before we end our lesson, say Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Oh, don't forget to stay healthy. I am Mr. Farid. See you bye.